In this video we learn AutoCAD commands and setting. 1. T command for text setting. 2. F command for round corner. 3. X command explode objects. M text. You can create several paragraphs of text as a single multi-line text object. With the built-in editor, you can format the text appearance, columns, and boundaries. After you specify the point for the opposite corner when the ribbon is active, is displayed. If you specify one of the other options, or if you enter text at the command prompt, text bypasses the in-place text editor and displays additional. Fillet rounds and fillets the edges of objects. In the example, an arc is created that is tangent to both of the selected lines. The lines are trimmed to the ends of the arc. To create a sharp corner instead, enter a radius of 0. You can fillet arcs, circles, ellipses, elliptical arcs, lines, polylines, rays, splines, and splines. You can also fillet 3D solids and surfaces. If you select a mesh object for filleting, you can choose to convert the mesh to a solid or surface and continue the operation. First object. Select second object or shift select to apply corner. Use an object selection method or hold down shift and select an object to create a sharp corner. If you select lines, arcs, or polylines, their lengths adjust to accommodate the fillet arc. You can hold down shift while selecting the objects to override the current fillet radius with a value of 0. If the selected objects are straight line segments of a 2D polyline, they can be adjacent or separated by one other segment. If they are separated by another polyline segment, Fillet deletes the segment that separates them and replaces it with the fillet. More than one fillet can exist between arcs and circles. Select the objects close to where you want the endpoints of the fillet. Explode. Explodes a compound object when you want to modify its components separately. Objects that can be exploded include blocks, polylines, and regions, among others. The color, line type, and line weight of any exploded object might change. Other results differ depending on the type of compound object you're exploding. See the following list of objects that can be exploded and the results for each. To explode objects and change their properties at the same time, use Splode. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.